Hey guys, it's Kent back with my second and final reaction video of the day. This video is When Lightning Strikes, an original by Charlotte Zone. So, new artist, new song, never heard before by me, and I'm excited to get into it. So, let's go.
Whoever said that you can have it all, they clearly ain't met my baby doll. I swore to God that I'll never fall, but then I fell flat into your arms. I've been round and round, but you blew me off the ground. Like this love you give is so contagious. That rush I get, I can't explain it. Silent feels alright. This is what happens when lightning strikes. It's paradise, I can barely take it. Those butterflies you keep on making. Silent feels alright. This is what happens when lightning strikes. I can't imagine what it would be without every day of you and me. The sun will not shine over the sea, and there'll be no life inside of me. I've been round and round, but you blew me off the ground. Like this love you give is so contagious. That rush I get, I can't explain it. Silent feels alright. This is what happens when lightning strikes. It's paradise, I can barely take it. Those butterflies you keep on making. Silent feels alright. This is what happens when lightning strikes. When lightning strikes. When lightning strikes. This love you give is so contagious. That rush I get, I can't explain it. Silent feels alright. This is what happens when lightning strikes. It's paradise, I can barely take it. Those butterflies you keep on making. Silent feels alright. This is what happens when lightning strikes.
This girl is going to be a pop star. I can tell. She's got the attitude and the look and the voice. It's not really my cup of tea as far as music genres is concerned. The music, the audio, there was so much going on that I couldn't really narrow in on her voice as much. But the lyrics were great. I thought they were very creative and very clever and very well put together. And I liked the melody. There was a lot of production on the sound. The echoes and slight modulation, at least it sounded like it to me. But she's definitely going to be a pop star. And I definitely know this type of music is very, very popular. So, great video. You know, I like the simplicity of the shoot. That there was only the two locations and that there wasn't too much going on, too many effects or anything like that. And yeah, I could see this song going viral. I could see it being very popular. You know, good luck to her. As much as it's not, you know, even though it's not my cup of tea, I can definitely recognize that it is going to be a hit, or at least I think it will. She's got a bright future ahead of her. So, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below with your thoughts on this performance. Then head on over to michikent.com to submit your requests. Upvote requests you would like to see. Check out Facebook, Patreon, and PayPal. All good ways to support the channel. All of them appreciated. And thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with the first part of the 4,000 subscriber reaction marathon. Thanks.